You want to maintain the perfect application of the wavy or curly hair, but you are lack of tips and don't know how to start with. So this video is for you. Hello guys, I'm Sandy, expert from K Hair Factory. Are you wondering how to manage your wavy hair? Well, so you are not alone. Though wavy hair looks very beautiful, a lot of people struggle with maintain and manage it. With the texture that's somewhere between curly and straight hair, wavy hair requires a lot of care and attention. Not every hair care product is suitable for wavy hair. Therefore, knowing what to use for your beachy wave is very essential. Today, I will guide you some tips of taking care of your wavy locks. To begin with, let's go through some characteristics of wavy hair. So, you guys can see here, the wavy hair is neither fully curly nor not completely straight. The hair on the scalp lies flat like the straight hair you can see here. But the rest of the length was wavy. Unlike curly hair, wavy hair does not follow any particular pattern. The waves in your hair are inconsistent. Wavy hair pattern changes very frequently. It is an extremely versatile hair type that changes throughout your life. Sometimes the waves are heavy, while at times they are loose. Also, your hairstyle influences the pattern of the wave to a large extent. Another characteristic of the wavy hair is frizz. Your wavy locks are frizzier than other hair types. The frizz may make your hair look undone. So, what is the needed measure for the problem? First, you should hydrate your hair. Wavy hair tends to be frizzy. That's why keep your hair hydrated and frizz-free must be your goal. To keep your hair hydrated, experts recommend using a cleansing and hydrating shampoo. Try to avoid shampoo that contains sulfate, as it strips off the sebum oil from your scalp and make your hair dry. And secondly, you should use some deep conditioner throughout your life. Like wavy hair is a lighter form of the curls, so wavy hair needs extra care. Adding deep conditioning to your hair care routine is a must for treating frizziness. Besides it, deep conditioning will repair hair damage like split and roughness. It will also add some shine to your beachy waves. And importantly, you should avoid hair dryer. A hair dryer is a heating tool and it can damage the cuticle of your hair. Therefore, avoiding a hair dryer and opting for air drying your hair is the best option. Air drying will add bounce to your natural wave. It will reduce the frizziness and give you a smoother texture. And the last but not least, very important, you should apply leave-in sebum. Before styling your hair or using any heating tools, you should apply protective serum to your hair. So you can see here, I have some product of sebum oil. So you can see here the double rich for the hair, or some organic oil from argan oil, and these two. So you guys can use them to have a nice outlook of your wavy hair. Since wavy hair mostly suffer from dehydration and the lack of moisture, leave-in hair serum will have control the wavy locks. Well, so that's all instruction and some tips from me. for you guys can improve your like wavy outlook. So if you want to get or impart the wavy hair or get the best deal, so you guys can contact me in the number in the description box. Thank you.